We'll guide you through how to ensure Zapier security to keep your integrations safe and sound. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage your security settings. Now, within the Settings page, look for the Security tab on the left-hand side and click on it. Here, you'll see options to enhance your account's security. First and foremost, make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone in addition to your password. You can set this up by following the prompts under the two-factor authentication section. Next, regularly review the connected apps and services. Go to the Connected Accounts section and verify that only the apps you trust are connected to your Zapier. If you see any unfamiliar apps, disconnect them immediately. It's also a good idea to periodically change your password. You can do this by clicking on the Change Password option. Make sure to create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Lastly, always keep an eye on your account activity. You can do this by checking the Activity section for any unusual logins or Zap runs. If you spot anything suspicious, change your password and review your connected apps. By following these steps, you can significantly boost the security of your Zapier account and keep your data protected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.